Welcome back to another video. In this video we are gonna be doing the siding. So let's not waste much time and get started by doing all the small woodies that are actually gonna hold up the siding. We are gonna do it properly this time with the ventilation gap because we have a bit of a mess up on the rest of it. So let's get started with this one. So we are done with all the little small wood that's going to be holding all our facade, so we have a nice ventilation gap behind the facade. And the wood required is very little because we have big doors, big windows, but the complication of it is really difficult because of this extension we have done, the outwards bay window, but definitely worth it. I think it's going to look pretty incredible. So let's get started. At least do the front flat part, that's going to be the easy one. And then the upstairs, we need still some tape, so finish the upstairs, and then we can put all the rest of the woodies and keep going higher and higher. So let's go and plane the wood for the sides.
like it, Pepper?
A bit less.
I told you to go slowly higher. I said it to go slowly higher. I said, do you want to measure me because it goes slowly higher?
Yeah, and I forgot that not all of them are under this.
That's what I said.
Yeah, but you didn't
Because I
specify.
remember,
Smallest one?
yeah.
So as you can see, we have the bottom floor all nice and done. So the siding is all and beautiful, and we are ready for the top, but not in this video since the day is over, and we want to keep the videos not so long for ourselves in the sake of editing, because the editing of the big videos takes longer and we'd rather post them more often, and also whatever we film in a day is kind of a video in this case. So yeah, we're gonna see you in the next one when we continue on with the top. That's gonna be really complicated. It's kind of the same amount but a lot more complicated angles, and that might not be in a day. I think that might take even 2 days to finish. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to see the top being finished. Bye bye.